Hey guys, welcome to Praxie Best Practices on Concept Testing. Concepts are basically ideas for products, services, or business models. And when it comes to testing, you want to just do a couple things. So let's say you come up with a bunch of ideas. How do you know which ones are the best ones to go after? So the way to do that is to figure out who your target customer and market is. So, who is it that you want to test this idea with? Can you go and find those people on the street, online, wherever it may be, so that you can get access to their feedback? So who is it is one thing. What you want to test is the second thing to focus on. And that really involves the assumptions underlying this idea. So if you can list your assumptions that you want to test, that will then help you determine how you go about testing it. Do you go in the face-to-face world and talk to people on the street, or do you figure out how to access folks online in some way? Can you do it through interviews, or can you do it through surveys? It all depends on what you're trying to test there. Once you know all of that, it's usually good to write a bunch of questions that will give you some guidance on how to ask questions in a consistent way across all those you're talking to. So it could be survey questions, but it also could be interview questions. So the idea is that you want to focus on who you're going to ask questions to, the assumptions to test, the vehicles in which you'll go test those, and then lastly, the questions that you'll ask as you test those. You'll look at all of that input for each of your concepts and then get a sense of which are your best ideas to move forward. That's concept testing. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.